Hello YouTube! It's me, James the Man's Man, and we're back in the man's kitchen. But today, I'm not showing you a cooking video, and I know I didn't show you one last week either. I was really busy with some family stuff. My sister-in-law got married this past weekend, so we had no time to shoot any videos. But I had 2 weeks call last week and this week, so 2 weeks off of making videos, and we're gonna start up again next week. Somewhere before I do this again, I'm gonna try and get a couple ahead, so that way you won't notice when I take some time off. But in the meantime, we've passed 200 subscribers. So what does that mean? That means it's time for you to post down in the comments what you want me to make, and I'll do another fan request. Now, one of the things I learned at this family wedding was I thought my subscribers were mostly just friends and family. Turns out, none of my extended family on my wife's side even knew I did YouTube. So I picked up about 5 new subscribers just there. And that was enough to push us over the top to hit 200. Which means the 197 of you that were here before, you are complete strangers. And that even means so much more to me. That people out there want to watch me show them how to cook them food. So write down in the comments what you want me to make, and I'll make sure that I pick something out of there, and that's what we'll do for next week. In the meantime, have yourself a good week, and don't do anything too crazy or foolish. Remember, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. That way you can get updates when I post cool behind-the-scenes content. Thanks, and have yourself a great evening.